This is popping corn, and meanwhile I put the pot in a fire and I put like a teaspoon, that means half a tablespoon of oil. Then I measure 2 tablespoons of popping corn. I wash it because I bought the measuring one, so I don't know if any poison or something pour in it and germs. So after I drain it, I pour it inside the oil when the oil was hot. So all you need to do is cover it and shake it, because if you leave it open and keep on stirring, it will keep on popping and going out. So that's what you do, then you cover it. Instead of doing this process of opening, just keep it closed and just be shaking it just like I did. So after you shake it for a while, you leave it. When you hear or you listen that it stop popping, just leave it covered for like 10 seconds before you remove it. If not, it will be burnt, just like you see mine has started getting burnt. So after I pour it into the container, I pour some honey and I shake it and mix it together so that the honey won't just gather in one place. And after shaking, I pour a little milk as well, just like some people usually do. This is a powdered milk. Then I shake it again. So that's all. Yummy, 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 yummy.